So in today's video, what I want to do is walk you guys through the steps that I took when it came to me building an AI automated blog. For those of you out there that are wondering, Sam, what exactly is that and how does it work? Well, a blog website is simply a site where you're going to post articles on it, articles about a specific topic. And the reason why you're going to post those articles is so that you can build up momentum, build up traffic, get people onto the website so that you can monetize the site in whatever way that you want to. And I do need to say before I get into this video that it should not be taken as financial advice. I just need to give a quick disclaimer, let you guys know that there's no guarantees of results or earnings or anything like that. The purpose of today's video is to be educational, informative, and just show you how all of this stuff works when it comes to building an AI automated blog. Now, for those of you that want to get a practical understanding of how it works, let me just quickly show you one of my websites. I'm sure if you've been watching my channel, you would have seen this website already. It can be found at www.successwithbusiness.com. This is one of the many different AI blogs that I'm running right now. I've set it up in a way where all of these different articles, as you can see, are being published without me having to do it myself. Of course, I'm going to have to oversee things, make sure that things are running smoothly in the back end. But with this one website, I've been able to get various different articles ranked on Google. As you guys know, Google gets millions and billions of people going onto it daily. So because I've been consistent when it comes to using AI to automate websites like this, I've been able to get thousands of people coming onto this website on a monthly basis. So this is basically what an AI blog website is. Now, one of the first things that you're going to need to do, or one of the first steps that I personally took, was to get some sort of hosting, get my website up and running. And the way that I do that is to use Hostinger. As you guys know, I am an avid supporter of Hostinger, mainly because I've been using it for years. I found it to be super efficient. There's so many different benefits when it comes to using it as well. And it's one of the #1 platforms when it comes to building blog websites. To show you what I'm talking about, if I just click on Claim Deal and come over here to the Business Website Builder, as you can see, these are all of the top features when it comes to using it. If I was to sign up right now, I'm going to be able to get up to 50 websites. There's a drag and drop editor. There's 150 templates to choose from. You can integrate Google Ads if you want. 24/7 customer support, AI tools, AI website builder, AI blog generator, the list goes on and on. So it's just a simple case of just clicking on choose plan and going with a duration that you believe that you're going to have the website for. In my case, I go with the higher plan because I know that it comes with so many different benefits. But of course, once you're building your own AI blog website, it's going to be completely down to you as to how long you choose. But whatever the case is, just make sure that you try and maximize the amount of discount that you can get. So what I do is just type in this coupon code. And doing this allows me to save just a little bit more money. So if I just click on continue, it's then going to take me to this page where I'm now going to be able to start the process of building my WordPress website. So you've got the option of either using AI, or what you can do is use one of their pre-built website and themes. So if I just click on this one in this case and click on next, I'm just going to select blog. As you can see, these are all of the different templates to choose from. Now, bear in mind, whichever one you pick, there is going to be some adjustments that you need to make. You're going to have to tailor it to whatever brand you're looking to build. And this is where so many people end up getting stuck because they're not really sure of exactly what to call their website, what to center it around, how to structure things. Most of you right now probably want to build a website, but this is probably the step that you're stuck on. So what I would advise you to do is get some sort of business plan in place just so that you have a clear checklist to follow. So the one that I use is this one, which is the blog website business plan builder. The way it works is that it just takes me through a series of different questions, and at the end of it, it's going to give me a customized business plan. I showed this on my channel recently and I found it to be super efficient. So we're going to quickly do this together just so that you have an idea. But question one is, what type of topics do you enjoy writing or talking about? You want to pick something that you're passionate about, that you know that you're going to continue to be passionate about, because this is going to allow you to push past any obstacle that you might face. So in my case, for this example, I'm just going to click on freelance and remote work and then click on next. What type of website do you want to build? I'm going to say that I want to build a branded website with a unique brand name. Similar to the website that I showed you, which is this one, Success with Business. It's not necessarily centered around myself. Otherwise, I would have called it sam.com or successwithsam.com. I'm sure that you get the point. But of course, it's completely down to you as to how you want to build your site. I'm going to select branded website for now. Question 3 is, do you want AI to write your blog articles for you? I'm sure that you do. That's the reason why you've clicked on this video, how to start an AI automated blog website. So I'm going to select yes, fully AI written articles. Question 4 is, do you want an AI blog website or WordPress? If you want to be able to automate every single aspect of your blog website, one of the best ways to do that is going to be with WordPress. So that's the one that I'm going to select. How do you plan to monetize your blog? So there's so many different ways that you can monetize from it. We've got affiliate marketing, digital products, Google AdSense. You can also do sponsored posts, brand deals. There's an abundance of different choices. I would recommend picking one and then sticking with it because that's what I do. And then from there, I now branch out and then add other streams. So the one that I would go with if I was starting from scratch, it's probably going to be either affiliate marketing or selling digital products. But for now, I'm going to select this one and then click on next. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with this simple prompt that you're just going to copy just like this. Then all you got to do is just go over to ChatGPT, open it up like this. You can use a completely free account if you want. Just paste everything in there just like that and then click on enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT has already gone to work when it comes to giving me a solid business plan that I'm going to be able to use for this website. It's also giving me a step-by-step checklist, blog article, title ideas, just everything that I'm going to be able to use when it comes to getting started. So definitely check out that blog business plan builder if you wanted some sort of clarity as to the steps that you need to take. But for now, I'm just going to click on a random theme. I'm going to click on this one right here. It's then going to take me over to the next page where it's going to show me what the website is going to look like. Of course, once again, you're going to have to make changes to it. But for now, it looks quite decent on mobile phone as well as tablet. So I'm going to leave it on this and then click on use this website. There's also going to be some plugins that you can select to be integrated on your website. You don't have to worry about this at this stage, but you may want to select Omnisend, you may want to select Google Sitekit or any of these other ones. Again, for now, I'm just going to click on next. But right there, as you can see, it's already started the process of building out the site. But in today's video, I don't want to spend too much time on the design aspect. If you wanted me to make another video where I walk you through every little detail that goes into designing a website from scratch, just put in the comments down below, do the WordPress design video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. In this video, I wanted to focus more on the AI automation side of things when it comes to being able to publish blog articles automatically. And the tool that you're going to use to do that is a website that I've been showing on this channel quite recently, which is Make. This platform, I found it to be a powerful solution when it comes to integrating and connecting various different artificial intelligence tools. So all you got to do is sign up for completely free. This is exactly what I did. And once you log in, this is what the interface is going to look like. So as I said, there's so many different artificial intelligence tools that you can connect to it. We've got Shopify, we've got WordPress, Gmail, Notion. We've got so many popular ones, Dropbox, and essentially you're going to be able to pair all of these different ones with a few clicks of a button. So I'm going to build out the automation sequence from scratch. And I'm just going to do a general overview, but I'm sure by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding as to how all of this works. So what I'm going to do is just click on this plus icon, and the one that I'm going to select as the first module is Google Sheets. Basically, I'm using a Google Sheet where I'm going to post the article title, target keyword, and the main product that I'm going to be promoting within that article. So I'm just going to tell it to watch new rows. I'm going to select the right spreadsheet, which is this one over here, Make Spreadsheet. And it goes without saying that you're going to have to sign in to your Google account so that it's directly connected to your Google Sheets. I'm just going to select sheet name 1 and I'm going to tell it to look out for the right rows. So I'm just going to select A to E. Okay, so that's done. The next thing that you need to do is click on this plus icon. And in this one, what we're going to be doing is adding OpenAI. And the specific thing that you want it to do is to create a completion with a prompt. So I'm going to select this one, and what I'm going to do is make sure that I select the right model, which is 4.0 latest. From here, what I do is just click on messages and select the role as user, and it's going to be in this text content box that I'm going to enter the specific prompt when it comes to the type of blog article that I want it to produce. And just to give you an idea of what the spreadsheet is going to look like, this is it right here. It's going to have these different headings: title, target SEO keyword, category, main link, and main affiliate offer. I put this here as an example just so that you guys can see exactly what type of information goes into it. But if I just go back over to make.com, and this is what the prompt is going to look like in terms of what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do. So I'm going to tell it to write a 1,000 word article. I would say you want to make it minimum 1,500 words. You want to make sure that you're grabbing the title from the spreadsheet as well as the target SEO keyword. All of these different green boxes are mapped directly from the Google Sheet. There's a lot of other information when it comes to, the H2 heading, H1 heading, when to put the specific product that I'm going to be promoting. Make sure that it's a hyperlink. Make sure that you use the right name. It goes on and on. I could spend 10 minutes just talking about this, but basically it's just a prompt telling it the style of article that I want. And once you've done that, all you need to do is now connect it to your WordPress account. So what I'm going to do is select create a post. And again, you're going to have to integrate your WordPress account that you just built with Hostinger to your Make account. So to do that, all you got to do is click on add, and you're going to have to get your API keys. And to do that, you just have to go to the back end of your WordPress account. So as you can see, I've just logged in, and what I do is come over here to the plugin section, and I'm just going to type in make just like this and then click on enter. And the one that I use when it comes to making sure that my Make account is connected to my WordPress account so that it can publish articles is this Make connector right here. As you can see, it's already active. Once you install it, once you go through that process, doesn't take more than a minute, you're going to get all of your API keys. And literally from that point, it's just about mapping the correct fields. So I want the title of the article in WordPress to be the title in the spreadsheet that we inserted. In terms of the actual content, I want it to be directly from ChatGPT. So that's why I inserted right here. There's going to be some other things that you need to do, setting the right author name, maybe inserting a specific category, sorting out your images, your date, so on and so forth. But I would say for the most part, this is all you need to know. And just to re-emphasize that this is just a simplistic sequence that I set up just for the purpose of this video. I may want to add another module telling ChatGPT to humanize the article, so it doesn't sound too much like ChatGPT. There's going to be some other modules when it comes to inserting images into the actual article. The list goes on, but for the most part, this is the main thing that you need to know. So before I show you exactly how it works and how I'm able to publish a fully automated article on my blog website, I'm just going to quickly go back over to the spreadsheet, and I'm going to insert a specific title. We're going to use this one, which is how to grow on YouTube in 2025. This is the type of content that I want to start publishing over the next few months, so that's why I'm now starting to write more articles about it. In terms of the SEO keyword, it's going to be exactly the same. The main affiliate offer is also going to be vidIQ. So now that all this information has been inserted into the spreadsheet, all I got to do is make sure that I set it so that it runs, every day and checks the spreadsheet. But of course, I'm just doing one example for now, so I'm just going to click on run once. Okay, perfect. So the article has now been published on the back end of my blog website. So this is the article right here. If I just click on preview in new tab, and as you can see, it has been successfully loaded to the website. Everything is formatted, all of the headings, everything looks good. And all of the affiliate links are also here as well. If I was to click into any one of these different links, it should take me to the correct landing page. So that's basically what goes into building up an AI automation blog. Again, there's other things that goes into it, and I'm not saying that you're going to be able to start this and make any sort of money from day 1, day 10, day 20. You know, there's certain things that goes into it. There's a learning curve. So you're going to have to be consistent if you was thinking about doing this. But this channel is all about education and just giving you guys the information that I wish I had from the very beginning. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. Don't forget to check out Hostinger as well when it comes to getting your WordPress website built in the easiest way possible. I'm going to leave all of the information in the resources down below. And if you want to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down how you can start a side hustle using the Google search results with the help of a WordPress automated blog website, I'm going to leave that video right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has helped out so many people, and I'm sure if you're able to watch it from start to finish, it can also help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.